Logic Pro for iPad. You figure just like the desktop, when you click here and you scroll here, that's where you find all your sound kits, all your samples, just by clicking the musical sign. You get to hear what it sounds like. But where do all these kits go? Well, it's simple. Click the same place, click over here, and it's easy to miss. It's right at the bottom. You have to scroll right to the bottom, and that's where all the kits live. Simple as that. It can take you a while to find these. I want to use this. So here we go. The Kount. I can select filter by drums. That's some pretty cool stuff. It's a nice clap. Now, finger drumming on the iPad. Yeah. So as long as you got this activated and you just drag this up to reveal the drum pad, and just do your thing. Find your groove. The advantage is pretty obvious. You got your iPad with you everywhere you are, most times. So when inspiration hits, you don't have to go switch on something, plug in something. Nope, just switch out of the app you're in and jump right in. You don't run out of tracks. Well, at least I haven't run out of tracks. You can try to find your groove. And press record when you're ready. Now, maybe you've come into the situation where you thought you were adding to the pattern and it was dubbing over, but no, that's not what it's actually doing. It looks like it's dubbing over the pattern that you already had, but actually, listen. What I just played has just been added. So rinse and repeat. Just keep on adding and building the beat.